Hello kutties, let's learn alphabets. A for ant, ant. B for bear, bear. C for camel, camel. D for dog, dog. E for eagle, eagle. F for fox, fox. G for goat, goat. H for hut, hut. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for jeep, jeep. K for king, king. L for lamp, lamp. M for monkey, monkey. N for net, net. O for owl, owl. P for peacock, peacock. Q for quail, quail. R for rose, rose. S for ship, ship. T for tent, tent. U for unicorn, unicorn. V for vegetables, vegetables. W for wagon, wagon. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yoke, yoke. Z for zip, zip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.